Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on my Michaels haul. So Michaels, a week or two ago, they had 60% off all their beads, everything. And I got a ton of them. So we'll get right into it. But first, if you're new here, welcome, and please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of my videos. And if you could hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy the video, that would help me out a great deal. So let's get started. And first of all, Michaels has been carrying these beads. I only work with Precosa and crystal beads, and actually I got a whole setup here. You should see. You should see what's in back of you here. I'll have to show you one day. But here we go. I'll show you a couple things here. This is what I have here. They're not showing up well. But I have two. Just something that might show up here. Really pretty. It's really pretty. But I have two huge cases on the side here filled with all Swarovski and Precosa crystals. All 4 mils. That's what I work with. And I have a special place that I actually order them from. So let's see. So many. There's this one here. So you get the idea. And there's a ton of them over here. A ton of these little slots. But Michaels recently started carrying Precosa crystals. And these are a 6 mil, as you can see. And so I usually use these for other things. But these are, and I only like to use the AB2X, which is a double coated Aurora Borealis. It has an extra sparkle. So this is, and they are real Precosa crystals, because I can put Swarovski crystals and Precosa side by side, and I can tell the difference between both. So usually even on when I'm looking on a computer. So you can see it's 6 mil and it's AB, so it does have one coating of that Aurora Borealis, which I like. Okay, and then this has the same 6 mil crystal AB bicone, and as you can see, I already used some of these. But let me get that out of the way. Okay. You can see how pretty they are. So it's a great deal. If when they're on sale. How much? Oh, how much were you? I don't remember. Shoot. But just keep checking their ads when they're 60% off. You can't beat it. I got this. This is really pretty. This is, of course, hematite. And you have a couple different sizes here, and then you have these. And that, what else do I have here? Oh, now this looks like what I purchased at the jewelry show the other day. As you can see here, it's $8.99 and then 60% off. And then if you have a coupon also or something. Well, this is just glass, so that's what it says there. But it certainly looks good. It's really pretty. Got that, and of course you gotta have these. It's just the glass beads, but they look like $1,000,000 when you're making something. What else I have here? Got one of these. This is heavy. See what this is hematite, reconstituted hematite, 8 mil. Pretty. And these are really pretty. So I can't wait to use these. And they're just glass. And then what do we have here? So pretty blue. Another glass. You know, some of them have the price on, so you know, 60% off. You can't beat it. Another one of these. And it's got these. And this is Jasper. Look how pretty that is. And smaller size of these. I like using these on my charm bracelets and memory wire bracelets. And I think I got a couple of these. Yep, here's another one. And then I got these. This. No, I didn't wind up using this. I want to use this on a memory wire bracelet. It's going to be pretty. It's that crackle glass in 8 mil. And I got a couple of those. And these are big. Pretty. Glass mat, 10 mil. Here's one I got at the jewelry show. Let's see that there's a difference here. Look at that. I don't know. Do you think there's a different? Yeah, I'm looking up at the camera now to see. It's a lot more glow here than there is in here. Okay. And more of these. And then these. I'm gonna make a flat spiral bracelet with these. And these are just glass, 10 mil, but they look like $1,000,000. Look at that. Another one of these. And this. I think I used some of these on a recent project. Oh no, this is from Joanne Fabrics. Okay, that's where I got that. I think they had a sale also. Let's see. This is Michael's. These are cute, the little tiny ones. What's this? A 6 mil. And here's some more. Opalite pink. It's pretty. And then these, I already used these. I got these at Joanne Fabrics. And you can see that. These are really pretty. These I used on my other video. There it is, that's why. So I already used these on this bracelet here. Right there, and here. Really pretty. And I used it on the earring here also. And what else? More of these, hematite. Yep, 10 mil. And I love these because these, let's see, Got this from Joanne Fabrics. This looks like that bubble gum to me, so I can't wait to use this one. I like using all these on usually charm bracelets. There's the memory wire bracelets, because it just makes it look really fun. That, and this one, look at that, it's pretty. And I got some more yellow, and of course this is Hildy and Jill from Joanne Fabrics. So I think I stopped at Joanne Fabrics after Michael's and just found a few things at Joanne Fabrics. Is this Joanne Fabrics? I can't remember. Oh, this is Hobby. Oh, this is Hobby Lobby. Okay. Sorry, guys. So I went to all three stores that day. That's right. So I know this is from Michael's. I didn't get any crystals for it. I think I had enough 4 mil bicone crystals, so I didn't really get that from Michael's, but these are pretty. So yeah, because I got all this a few weeks ago, so that's why I forgot. But this is such a pretty blue. Just love that. And then here we go. Some crackle agate orange. And more of these. It's pretty. And another crackle agate orange. So that is my Michael's, Joanne Fabrics, and Hobby Lobby haul. There you go. So thanks for taking your time to watch my video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. Well, it's a lot, huh? I better get busy. Okay. Well, thank you, everybody. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you have a great week and a great summer coming up. Well, it's already here, yeah. So, all right. It's my third video that I did in a row in one day, so that's probably why I'm getting tongue-tied, and time to take a break. All right. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.